Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi, and let's dream about beauty. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Beauty Boutique 24 Beauty Surprises Advent Calendar. So if you're interested in seeing what is inside, and if this is something that maybe you want to get for yourself or as a gift from Shoppers Drug Mart online, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the Advent Calendar looks like. Open it up, it's kind of magnetized doors, and then these are all the boxes inside. So this was, I think, $95. I bought it with my points, and that's about how big it is. So box number one is in, there we go, in the middle. And we'll pull that out and we'll see what's inside. Okay, in box number one, I got the Shiseido Owasso Giga Hydrating High Cream that's in French, with fermented soybean extract. So just a little sample size. This might be a nice winter night cream. And I don't go through creams very fast, so this should last me a while. So that's pretty good. So that was number one. Okay, so now number two is right here on the side. Number two. And let's see what is in here. Oh, it's some ceramide capsules from Elizabeth Arden. Retinol ceramide capsules, line erasing night serum. So it's just a little tube of them. Enough to give them a try. So that's good. All right, number three. Here's number three. Let's see what's in this box. It is Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream in the shade White Russian. So that's what it looks like. Oh, so that's nice. Just a small travel size, so I can just put that in my purse. Perfect. Okay, and number four. There's number four. I love the colors of the box. When you order something from Beauty Boutique, which is the Shoppers Drug Mart online portion, it always comes in blue boxes. So this is the Clinique Lash Power Mascara Long Wearing Formula. So that's what that looks like. And I'm going to just keep this to the side and I'll put it in my mom's stocking, because she goes through mascara a lot and I don't really use mascara too much because of my eyelash extensions. All right, now number five. Where are you, number five? Number five, number five. Oh, there's number five. This is, oh cool, a Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. These are really good. It's in the shade Neutral Medium Brown, 3.5, so I might give that to Kennedy. But she does her eyebrows a little bit lighter than I do. All right, number six. I got a Glam Glow Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask. That's what that looks like. So that looks pretty cool. Be interested to try that out. Because it's radiance boosting, hydrate, energize, and radiance. Okay, so that was number 6. So number 7. And there we've got number 7. Number 7 is the Smashbox Swag Face and Eye. So it has a mascara and the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Cool. I'm looking forward to trying that out. I've been trying lots of different primers lately, trying to find something that works well to mattify and blur pores. So that was number 7, so number 8. And there's number 8. Number 8 is the Saint Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted Everyday Tinted Moisturizer and Primer. Oh cool, instant healthy glow. Oh, it says it's a moisturizer and primer, so that'd be fun to try out. I could use a self-tan. I'm starting to feel very pale. Now, number 9. So number 9 is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Just a small sample-sized one. Let's see if I can open this. That would be good for travel, so I don't mind that. I'm not mad about that. Number 10 is here. A little bit of a bigger box. I wonder if it's something exciting. No, this is the little Lise Watier mascara. Eye-opening vegan mascara. So, another mascara. Number 11. What could number 11 be? Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Cool, a little travel size for when the world ever starts traveling again. Number 12. What's this? Oh, Elizabeth Arden White Tea Perfume. Let's see what it looks like. I love perfume. Oh look, it's a cute little bottle, little spray. That smells really nice. I do like white florals, so yay for that. That was number 12. Number 13. Number 13 is Darphin. It's from Darphin, and it's the Hydroskin Light Hydration. All Day Skin Hydrating Cream Gel. Perfect. Because I have oily skin, during the day I prefer gel cream. Cream to gel or whatever for moisture, for using for moisturizer. So that's a good one. 14. Oh, some of them are starting to fall down because the other boxes aren't in it to support it. What is this? This is, ooh, Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. I should put that in my mom's stocking. She'd be like, what is this? Number 15. This is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Night Intensive Restorative Cream. So some night cream. Oh, that's pretty. I love the packaging. I'm excited to try that. 16. Oh, this is the Origins Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Another gel moisturizer. Very small. They could have put something a little bit bigger inside there. That's what she said. Forgive me. That was 16, so now we need 17. And this looks like a lippy liquid lip from Lancome. It doesn't say anything on it. Well, on the bottom it does, but I can't read that. But on the top it has the Lancome rose. So this looks like a nice blue toned red. So that's up my street. Number 18. This is the Lise Watier patch. Oh, this is these are eye patches from Lise Watier. So that's all right. I think a lot of this stuff I'll probably put in my mom's stocking or in Kennedy's stocking for Christmas. Number 19. And this is the Clarins Multi-Active Jour. Targets fine lines. It's an antioxidant day cream. Okay, so a day cream. Might give that one to Kennedy, depending on how heavy it is, because I can't use a heavy day cream. Number 20. Ooh, more perfume. A Juicy, Viva la Juicy from Juicy Couture. My daughter loves this, so yeah, that will be going in her stocking. Number 21. Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator, Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Well, I have this already in a big bottle, and I have it in a smaller bottle, this size actually, so this is my third one, which means I like it and I use it. I don't like to physically exfoliate that often, but I do on occasion, and this is a really good one if you're going to do that. That was, I'm losing track, I've got boxes everywhere. That was number 20, I think. Oh, that was 21, so 22. '22 is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating. Oh, it's a serum. So that looks pretty nice. And then number 23 is Art Deco. I don't know where Art Deco is a brand that Shoppers Drug Mart carries. I don't know if it's carried in the US. I think it might be available in the UK, but I'm not 100% sure. Or maybe in Australia. I'm not sure. But it is a holographic lip gloss. So that's kind of cute. And then last but not least, number 24. From Korres, it's the Wild Rose Makeup Melting, Makeup Melter Cleansing. Oh, so this is a cleansing oil. Oh, that's cool. Well, that's a nice travel size. So with samples like this, I really like saving them for traveling, which of course we're probably never going to do again, so that's all right. All right, well that's everything. So that was, got a mess of boxes in front of me. Let's see if I can fit them all back in, and I'd like to save this box for making my own advent calendar, so it's pretty cool. Time is our most precious resource, and when you spend a little bit of your time with me, I really appreciate it. I hope wherever in the world you are that you're well, that you're healthy, that you're happy. I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Activate the notification bell, leave a comment down below because I love reading your comments, and a big thumbs up. Thank you. That's it from me for today. Take care. Bye bye.